Kuya, magkano kuya?
400.
4?
Ha?
Magkano? 4?
4.
Original kasi.
Hindi lang. EB 750.
Bakit siya nag-stand out? Anong ano nito?
Tignan mo yung stitches. Lahat orange. There's no such orange.
Rare no. Yung stitching
Very
niya,
yan,
okay.
very yan.
O yan, may natutunan tayo kay kuya.
Bicha. Okay.
Pag yellow, kasi Ben Davis eh. Mas may alam siya sa Ben Davis.
Mas maraming ano.
400 daw yun. Ito pa isa. Ako hindi ko mapapansin yan.
Yung stitching.
Oo, unless na-searchin mo. Kaya nang
Parang siyang ano, yung hand woven. Parang ganun.
Anong year kaya ito lumabas?
Ayun o, nagdo-double ano pa nga eh.
Ito. Pag original. 400. Ito maganda rin. OG ano yan, yung dealer.
I know.
Ito pa.
Alam niya yung binibenta niya.
Oh.
Ready, unstoppable dynasty, young over. I'm a hustler, baby.
So ito na pick natin for 8. Na-sold siya for $22. Fitted na wool. Montreal Expos. New era. New era. Ito si David Beckham jersey. Na-pick natin for 5. Na-sold for 15. Tsaka Timberland the boots. Na-pick natin for 5. Na-sold siya ng $29.
Ganunin muna natin doon para maabot natin yung sa ano.
Kasi doon, nagpa-picture tayo doon sa city. Yung bumibili sa atin, yung long hair na yun. Tatandaan mo? Lakers. Ano ko, Lakers eh. Raider. Ito, lupit to. NBA ano, patches. Oh, siya. To Harley. Ang ganda ng pagka-paid niya. Ayos. Between power yung engine. Kaya kumagana. Hey man, how much is the jacket, man?
I'm asking
250?
250.
250. Malupit. Madugo. 250 raw eh. West Coast Choppers Affliction. Mga bata lahat eh. Ito mga hat. Ito Nothing to Lose. Movie ano yan eh, ni Martin Lawrence. Ayan, Carhartt. Mga Carhartt. Ayan natin to, Detroit jacket. Ayan, wool po. Tingnan natin yung price niya. 229. Ito, lupit to. J97 to. Size na ito. Detroit. Grabe, no? Ayan, Detroit jacket. Kung nakikita yung Detroit jacket dito, 229. Itong mga active. Ito, ang ganda ng colorway. 189. $190. Ito yung hunter green na sinasabi nila. Original yung ano niya. Ay, hindi, black. J140 black.
Dapat ganyan kulay na lang inano mo dun sa
Isa akin?
Barney na ano.
Oo, mamaya gagawin ko. Ito, ganda. Ito pa pala.
Yan, ganyan. Ganyan kulay.
Ganyan gusto mo? Ano ito hunter green. Pero black siya, oh. Inano lang nila. Ito, katulad ng ginagawa natin. Ang original color na ito, black. Inano rin nila. Ano yung binili natin? Yung Jobos. Ito, 350, oh. Hindi naman original color. Kasi yung ano niya, yung lining niya. Wool. 350. Yan, marami pa siyang Carhartt dito sa kabila. Dito. Ito, marami pa siya. Ito mga modern na. Mga modern na ito mga ito. $99. Ito, meron lang ganito eh. 150 pala yung presyo ng jacket ko.
Ayan yung
No, yung chore. Yung malaki hanggang ano. Ito isa. 170. Ha? Yung Rit dye ang tawag. Kalimutan ko.
Siyempre, hindi niya bibigyan ng mga.
So the one we have that trailer starts funny. When you turn it on, it's broken.
David ang mga let me see this. Ha? This is a $5 file? This guy or no?
Depends.
Depends.
I can give you a deal. See, there's a 250 shirts in there. I cannot go like that.
No,
I'm not gonna tell you.
cause you put it in the bucket. I thought it's like $5. Why is it in
No,
bucket?
that one, that was a good one. Okay.
What was that?
Huh? No, I mean that's a good one though.
Oh, okay. You know, mostly in the bucket they're like $5.
Oh, what ba? $5 bucket. Oh, hindi, iba yun.
Iba ho yun.
Iba yun, oh. Ano ko to eh. Sa akin yan eh.
Ayun.
May hinahanap ako dito. Hindi ko na nakita. Wala pang binibili nun ah.
Ayun, katulad na ito, nakabag. Akala ko $5 everything. Sa inyo po ba lahat to?
Kasi yan yung kinuha lang namin yung ano. Yung, ano tawag dito. Yung mga bag. Kinuha lang namin.
That's stock yung mga ho yan, yung mga ganyan. Anong year ho yung mga yan?
Yan, 90s.
Mid-90s?
Oo.
Galing ha?
Nandiyan yan, makikita
na-
mo.
na- na-
Baka mali yung sinabi ko sa'yo.
May naka-reserve, na-preserve niyo pa ngayon.
Kasi makikita mo minsan ang ginandito eh. Parang 90 siya.
Eh, kasi buksan eh. Nasa loob yan eh. Pero pag orange tab, 90. Nagkain ganito, kuya?
125.
125.
Ang dami kanina.
Oo, na ano na.
Yung mga dealer.
Mga dealers, no?
Tapos naglapitan sa akin yung iba. Sabi, selling na 200 something. Came from me.
Magkano yung Carhartt nyo ron?
Ano?
Ayun yung jacket.
160.
160.
Oh, binaba ko na nga yan.
Mataas yung mga ganyan. Wala kayong mga hats?
Ha?
Hats?
Ang dami. Hindi ko
Sport
din
hats?
alam.
Ay, sayang.
Ay, yung sports hat na ano.
Oo.
Ito mga puro riders lang dalawa.
Oo, ang mga Raiders. Saka.
Ben Davis.
Oh, my. Ano natin sila nang ba may makita ka? Kuya, magkano kuya?
400.
4?
Ha?
Magkano? 4?
4.
Ah. Original kasi.
Hindi lang. EB 750.
Bakit siya nag-stand out? Anong ano nito?
Tignan mo yung stitches. Lahat orange. There's no such orange.
Ah, rare no. Yung
Oh,
stitching
rare yan.
niya, okay.
Rare yan.
Oh, yan, may natutunan tayo kay kuya. Hmm.
Picture. Okay.
Pag yellow, hindi, kasi Ben Davis eh. Mas may alam siya sa Ben Davis.
Mas maraming ano.
400 daw yun.
Si Kuya.
Ito pa isa. Ako hindi ko mapapansin yan.
Yung stitching.
Oo, unless na-searchin mo.
Original.
Kaya
Oo,
nang
parang
nag-
siyang ano, yung hand woven.
Hmm.
Parang ganun.
Anong year kaya ito lumabas?
Ayun o, nagdo-double ano pa nga eh.
Ito. Pag-original. 400. Ito maganda rin. OG ano yan, yung dealer.
I know.
Ito pa.
Alam niyo yung binibenta niya.
Collectors, kuya. Tara. Ito pa, ano pa ito? Carhartt. Gusto mo tanongin ko yung Harley? Ay, as yung cart natin. Ito mga hat.
Kasi ano, I check that long time ago. So when I check it more.
Tingnan ka na yung mga hats dito. Mga trucker hats. Trucker hat. $400 yung ano niya sa Ben Davis. Sa eBay daw 700 daw.
Wholesale yan o listing yan.
Mga listing yan. May ano na rin yung mga naglalabas ng ganun kamahal. Ito mga hats. May hornet ka agad eh. Beat up na SS Costa Rica. Yan natin to.
I didn't see that one. I'm sorry about that.
Mga beat up ano ma siya.
The only two ones that are kind of expensive are
Ay.
this one and then the Hornets one.
Oh, how expensive.
The other ones are kind of cheap.
How much is that?
So that one I wanted 54, and then
50?
the Hornets was 52, and then this one's like $10.
50. Let me see. Yeah, afford. Ito si Star Wars.
Okay naman yung price mo.
Ito 10. Navy. Di ba nagkaroon ako ng ganito, Navy? Ito Phoenix Suns.
Even before store pala, may mga canvas na bag na. Oh.
Alin?
Ayun, oo.
Oo nga.
Na
Magkano?
1 pack, di ba?
Oo, ano yun? Si mama
Dati na
gusto.
pala.
Si mama. Ito. Si Kuwente. Ano pa tayo na isa? Costa Rica.
Just polo. Polo? Yeah. Nice. How much is it? This one I want is 64. 60? Yeah. It's a blanket. I can do 10 on the Hawaii.
Ito pinstripe na ano. Full start. Do like 5 each, man?
Those, so 10. This one I wanted 20 just because it's pinstripe.
A 20? For both?
Nah. I paid more for this one. I paid like 40 for it.
Sure, man. 20, 20, man.
I can't, man. I'm sorry.
It's beat up though, man.
I know. I just it's like a little reshape though. Just gonna wear it, wash it. So, bro.
Can I see how much you offering for these two?
So this one is my friend's one. Does that have a price on it or not?
Oh, I didn't.
Beat up na yun. 25.
This one I could do. What do you think, like 20 each?
20 each?
Yeah.
Usually there's like a stop.
Exactly. Yeah.
I'll try them all.
I-action
A
natin.
little mirror kind of on that side.
Oh, I see.
Ito American nila. And what's it?
Yeah.
I really am curious if Anita still has all my. I didn't even know those was.
Ito mga American Needle Minnesota Twin.
I'll do 10 on that one if you want that one. Just the most pinstripe I'm kind of for 120. Like,
Chin chin.
Not anymore. That's cool. Deer Fox was there. Like,
Ano rin siya.
more of a player.
Motols. Ito na lang 10.
Look at it, bro. Thank you. What's your best one? I was asking 120, bro. 120? Yeah, I only wear them like 4 times.
Mga beat up na.
Open offers though.
Pang motor.
Ayun, pasadyang ano, Carhartt na bag. Ayun. Ayun. Stubborn Ape, yung pangalan nila yan. Ginawa. Ang galing. Ito, kayang-kaya nilang bilhin yung Carhartt jacket. Workwear pa.
Dami na nga natin kung ano. Pero si ano, di ba,
Dilaw?
Romano? Ganyan lang gusto niya, ano,
Oh, ang galing nito.
binibenta.
Yeah. Ngayon lang nakakita ng ganitong colorway. Oh.
Oo, okay, doon. Ano, kulay mo yan, hindi ganyan kung ganyan.
150.
Maganda pag nagtitinda ka ganyan, may price na. Parang nakaupo ka na lang, prente ka na lang.
Hindi naman yung totoong price yun. Pwede mo pang matawaran yun.
Pero yun, walang price. No?
Ito. Ito maganda nutmeg. Nutmeg na balls. Oh yes. Ito. 85. Yung ganito yung pinamanong hits natin. 100 ko pa nabenta yun. Ito 85. Tawaran mo pa ng mga 60 yan. Broncos.
May ganyan ka, di ba?
Broncos?
Ano? Meron ba?
Wala.
Wala.
May ano na siya. May tama.
Ano ng sigarilyo.
May tama. Tingnan natin yung Jinko niya kung magkaan. May price. 120. Tama lang, 120.
Mahal yan.
Ito, malulupit ang mga nakahangin.
She tried him on and then sent. She tried him on, left him, and then sent her husband away.
Ito, meron ako nito eh.
What's the best you can do without paying a month? Honestly, go 40. It's actually 30. I could do 20. Maybe. Try him on. Give it 35.
Yung price.
You said it. So I'll tell you what.
$50.
I see you sourcing. I think.
Bulls.
Yeah, cool. Luciano. Nice to meet you, Misty. So I'll say hi next time. See ya. Cool.
Ito, malupit oh.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too. See you. Okay, yeah. If they didn't work for you, bro, you can see the next okay.
How much this Lakers, sir?
Shane, Lakers?
Bill, one bill, flat.
$1 bill?
Does that kind of make sense?
$1 bill.
So that way you just make sure you know. Yeah.
What's
You
this?
from LA or you from out here?
No,
Nah,
just,
yeah.
a little small is large. Yeah.
It's a good one, man.
I know, man. It's hard to come by.
That's Magic, right?
And I
Eric.
think it's dated right there. What's the date on it?
$1
Next to the
bill.
logo on the front.
I don't think Kobe was playing when they had these yet.
No, no,
He's
no.
OG right here.
No.
What, 90?
Yeah.
Is that
Ito,
90?
ganda rin, ah,
or what's
LA.
that, 90
Ito, lupit oh.
or 2000? So it's 26 years old.
Starter na eh. Niners. Dalawa pa. May athletics din siya. Ang dami niyang dami niyang pieces. Oh.
Yeah.
Dami. Oh.
He's already gave me things.
Extra large.
Well, no, because sometimes I don't usually hand it until I get the money. Yeah. This time I fucking was like,
Lupit yung mga pieces niya. Thank you, man.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Alright.
Good luck today.
Okay. Tandaan. Eh, makamura to. Kaya ka na natin to. Battle of the Bay na t-shirt. Kaya natin to. With tag po.
Hey, how you doing?
Hey, good. How are you?
Yeah.
Still
That was
with
the pay,
tag, huh?
bro. Yeah, that was the pay. Those aren't the right prices.
148. The original price.
You like it?
No, I'm just looking at it. I'm just appreciating
Yeah,
it.
the art, the Battle of the Bay.
Yeah, Battle of the Bay. Atlanta.
Oh, you like Dixie's clothing? You have a booth here?
No, I'm just browsing.
Oh, just browsing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just whatever.
You have a YouTube channel?
No.
Oh, okay. Oh, man. Welcome back, sir. Oh, no, you can't look in.
At yung mga hats niya rito. Sino ito?
It's a mix of like me ripping and I bought like some like collections before. Like in art sales, I bought a lot of stuff. A lot of bulk stuff is
Ganyan yung hats niya. Jagged edge.
buy like a big lot for the right price and pick through it, pick out a few of the
Jagged edge na Sacramento Kings.
yeah, I collect too. I started just to more sell though. I try not to.
No, I do not see
It's expensive to start like really buying like what you want. Like all the cards I want are just.
Ito meron ako nito.
What set are they?
Like the ones I like. Well, I like all the like
Ito,
the
laser.
star stuff. I like the shiny stuff.
Laser,
Stuff that I
Notre
remember,
Dame.
Like hunting. I like obviously base. Base set's always sick. Japanese, from when I was a kid, I always thought Japanese was the coolest stuff. Just 'cause, like I couldn't get into the skins, and one of the kids
May
in
pag ano pa siya.
middle school, he was like foreign shades from Japan. So
May kaya Sacramento.
that's what we always tried with him.
Ito Astro Boy.
Dad said I can get credit.
Meron tayo yan Astro Boy.
Dad said I can get
Astro Boy.
Yeah, I sold my gold star like Gladios like it was like 700 or 800 like 2 years ago, and then right now it's like raw 4K. But I found that. I got like a deal at
Eh, pag bromance pa siya eh.
Yun o.
Eh, sino? Nag-uusap eh. May tatanungin sana ako. Lahat pala, dito tayo nag-park. Oo, dyan oh.
Hindi naman dyan ang entrance. Pupunta ka pa doon. Sa dulong-dulo.
Ay, oo nga. Yan pala yung mga seller yata. We rich. Then. Picture. Ikaw, na lang kita. Yan, makuha yung background.
Ay, hilo na.
Ayun naman. Ito rin. Halika na.